Hey everyone, this is Professor Chan for Math 1230 speaking. I just want to kind of go over a brief intro on how to do graphing for exponential functions. So this is kind of a quick sample of the homework of the assignment you're being asked to do. So I have dates and a bunch of cases, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of open up an Excel lab, an Excel folder like the following here. And now the thing we have to be careful about is when you are doing your dates, okay, you don't want to actually do this full dates, okay? You want to do something that's countable. So I realize March 1st is day 1. So the way I want to do this is day 1, and then it goes all the way down to 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? So, actually, sorry, I'm sorry, this is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? Because we're starting on March 1st, so that'll be day 0. So we're starting off with 88 cases. Now I'll do the following, type in cases. Okay. So it looks like this here. And how do I construct a exponential graph using Excel? It's very similar to like what we've done before. I'm going to copy and paste. So I'll highlight and select these two columns. I'll do insert. And then I'll do a scatter plot like usual. And if you guys remember, like last time, I'm going to do a plus sign. Make sure I want to label my axes. So axes titles. So here, for example, I'll double click this here, right? And this is going up. So I'll say this is number of cases. And then here, if I double click here, this is going to be number of days. Okay. I'll also press a plus sign and I'll do what's called a trend line. Now be careful, I don't want a line, I actually want what's called an exponential curve. So I'm going to double click this here. Yeah, and so notice instead of saying linear, we're going to select exponential. So you want this to be kind of like a curve, like the following here. Okay, and then you'll also display the equation on the chart for the following here. Okay, now, so if you look right here, this is a little tiny, so I'm going to make this a little larger. Okay. So let's just remember, what does this mean, okay? So I have y equals 80.44 e to the 0.2271x, okay? So let's take a look at that there, okay? And so this is an exponential formula, right? So 80.44, remember this is my initial value. And then e to the 0.2771, okay? So if I do this, if I do e, whoops, sorry. Okay, so e to the 0.2771, let me just type that in. That is what's called your multiplier. Now, some of you guys may not know what e is, okay? But if you type e in your calculator, it's 2.718. So essentially, it's if I do 2.718 raised to the 0.2771, okay, that's actually my multiplier. So I'm actually multiplying everything by 1.31926. Okay, so every day my population is getting multiplied by 1.31926. If I rewrite my equation, so this is a different way of writing your exponents. It's e to the 0.2771. But the way that we write it, we could say this is 80.44 raised to the 1.31926, and then raise that to the x power. Okay. So if you have questions, let me know. Other than that, I will see you guys later.